Hello everyone. In this video, let's see how we can create this animation using just a few lines of CSS. For the demo, I've already created the HTML and CSS files with some basic styles. In the same folder, I have this boat SVG image that we'll be using. To begin, let's create a div with the class name container. Now, I have the SVG code for the wave line, and I'll paste it inside this container. On top of this wave line, we'll create an animation where the boat sails along it. Let's add the boat SVG to this container. We'll make the container position relative, and we'll set the boat SVG to position absolute so it appears on top of the wave. Now we'll add the offset path property to the boat image, which lets an element follow a custom path, like our SVG wave. Copy the path from this wave SVG and paste it here in the offset path property. This moves the boat image along this path. Now we'll animate this using the offset distance property. We'll start at 0% and move it to 100% in the keyframes, which makes the boat animate along the path. Now, as you can see, the boat has started animating. To position it right on top of the wave, we'll add a top value here. One more thing, if the boat image isn't rotating along the wave, we can set the offset rotate property to auto so it rotates with the path. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.